as well start. I hope everyone's going well today. I'm currently standing, hence I'm a little off to the side at the moment. I've been meaning to get a camera, a cord extender for my camera and stuff like that. So yeah, I can't move it into the center. So let's get started. I just want to do something with Memebox at the start. So we're just currently setting that up. Alright. Copy downloads into this folder. Change mod 5 executable for I forgot to do this. Alright. Tell you what. Don't need to do it. All right. Sorry, we just got to restart. Get everything back up and running. Oh yeah, I can now turn the volume up for the music. All right. Installation getting started. Do I drag and drop things in? Okay, not connected. All right, let's get this set up. All right, got to read documentation. All right. All right. All right. Excuse me. All right, actions. Uh-oh. Oh god. No, why is it doing that? All right. Well, that's what I've done wrong. Okay. No problem. And hey, how are you? Rich Coach Web, how you been this evening? I am just playing around with this. I don't know how it'll go. And then we're jumping into WordPress. Oh, I should turn on the lights. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I've raised my desk and it's blocking the light switch. So we'll have to deal with that at the moment. So, and hey, Roots to Z, how are you? Okay, I've mugged up something, it's not working here. Alright. Cool, not a problem. Hopefully that noob will be on and we'll go through it. So it's saying it's on right now with the green. Don't know if I see it. No, I don't see it. Yeah. Alright, cool. Let's jump into this. So I've got to start fixing up this website. We're going through just testing it on mobile phone. I've just got to download the source code. We'll update it. So I've got to do a simple git pull. This is taking a little while. Hello. You're fine? I'm at work right now? Oh, fair enough. Yeah, I just finished work a bit late tonight because I just wanted to do those few extra things. So, yeah. And then hopefully tonight I'll be able to finish this particular thing. This website. I am going to replace this carousel with a bought plugin. I'm just going to find out what the plugin is called. I've got to do that off the side because I no longer work for that place, and I know what they got. Going to get working on getting ahead with Svelte Kit. Fair enough for my CV/portfolio. So nice. I haven't touched Svelte yet. It's one of those things, it's in a long list. So Angular's pushed its way up above everything else at the moment for two reasons. One, because my current job uses Umbraco, which has Angular built into it. So if we wanted to use a JavaScript framework at the front end like that, we would use Angular for that. Just because it's built into the system, there's less sort of fighting you got to do. So yeah, anyway, I am just going to virtual hosts. Oh, that's how I don't have it on this computer anymore. Damn. Oh, fair enough. It's just a CMS. I mean, there are a dime a dozen. I've used WordPress, I've used this, I've used that, so yeah. Alright. Why is this not pulling? Is this not... Or do I have a pull in down here? I did do a git pull. Okay. I got the password wrong that time, but that's fine. Alright, CD, HT docs, WP, content, theme, zip theme, npm, install, just in case I got to install things. Alright. Alright, so media dialog, add a screen, getting started screen tabs, name, assign media clips to the screen using edit media, uses. Alright. Oh, I've got unread notification. Oh, I'm gonna go through all those. Yeah. Let's go up here. npm run build. find it. Okay. So straight off the bat, the content should have same margin as this up here. So padding. Alright. So this should have margin top 5 EMs. Five EMs. Alright. So in here, I want to search the whole thing. What we're searching for is might be easier just to go into the files and actually go under asset styles. We're looking at layout. I do believe it might be not under body. Pages. Container is fluid, so we need a margin top. When the max width is that. Alright, cool. Margin top 5 EM. Okay, we save. And we just build. Alright, so that's one of the issues we're having. So that will give us that. You know, the problem is that carousel is a bit too small when it's like this, so what we want, that's a single item. So carousel list. We don't want it like that just because it's a little too small. Alright, let's just change that around. Let's so we're just doing a simple media query where the max width of the screen is 768 pixels. So in here, what we want to do is we just want to do height, same sort of calculation. Oh, I forgot this is Vim. Alright, so 100 width times 9 divided by, and did we have it at 12? Yep. And the next thing we want to do, we kind of want these titles to be further up, but I don't want to spend too much time on this. I feel like I'm just going to replace it. So yeah, one thing I could actually do. I am going to attempt to turn on that light. Yay! Alright. What's the price for this? $42 Australian dollars. That's perfectly fine. We can do that. What's a one-time payment? Not even then. Sorry, I just got something in my eye. Alright. Can close that. So, yeah. Not remember. Select a license. Buy now. Goodbye and stuff like that. I'll do that in a little bit. I won't focus on that at the moment, but yeah, I feel like the slider needs to go. It's not working how they want it to work, so yeah. I might... I don't have the source code still on my... I deleted a lot of source code, so I probably don't even have there to test it out. No, I don't. Alright. Let's not worry about the slider yet. Let's just go through. Make sure everything on this is looking nice and tidy. Oh, this is my local. So yeah, it's fine. Inquire now has a problem with the name not... Damn it. Should have a padding top. Yes, sucks. Yes, sucks. Alright. This has a problem, so let's fix it. max width. Ah, yeah, there we go. Alright, socks, did you want to come up? Or did you just, there you are. No? Alright, you just wanted to get attention. Joseph having a cat, she's like, oh yeah, I want attention, hey, hey, hey. And then she just, when you give her attention, she's like, haha, suck! Suck eggs! And she just runs away. Alright. Ooh, this doesn't look good. Socks, what? Come here. Say hi to everyone. Sustainability. Going through this. Alright. These don't look really, really good. These are decent sized logos. Alright. Are hard-coded in, so when we actually do the change, we're going to have to do a full database reset. So those things I've got to check on our UAT environment. So I thought I fixed that. Layouts, body. Yes, socks. Problem is, I don't know why the bottom one wasn't obeying that So yeah. Anyway, I am gonna make sure that's in a media thing. Because I don't know at what point that breaks. Come on. Yep, cool. Oh, I fixed that issue. Alright. So, these should all fall into place now. Yep, alright. And hey, that noob! I got meme box up and running, but I don't think it's showing. So I got a trigger going every 10 seconds. I screwed up somewhere. I didn't read the instructions properly. And how are you been? My phone is blowing up for some strange reason. Why are you blowing up? Too much to do? Yep, same. So yeah, they've given me access to the admin dashboard at work. So well actually no, it's for a project and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm currently learning the C# side of things. So yeah, I know how you feel. So yeah, and then I want to get this out. I really am sick and tired of this project. So this is perfectly fine. I just need to shrink the image. So that's not a bug, that's actually a feature. This is fine. We haven't got any graphical design on how they want this. So yeah. Anyway. Oh, why is this page so... That should not be... Container is fluid, should have a margin top. Let's say just the container one. Alright. Where is it, pages? Could fix the template, but check the messages before exhausted. Good morning, Coachman. How are you? Have you ever seen a hail tornado? No. Jesus Christ. Ugh. We do every approximately 10 years in Melbourne have a massive hailstorm, which always does a lot of damage. I remember it as a kid, and it was essentially like snow outside, but hail. We had one where I think back in 2007, and we had a small one last year. So, yeah, maybe a bit more than 10 years now that I think about it. Probably 10 or 15. It's probably between 10 and 15. But no, I have not seen a tornado made of hail. So the wind's just going wild, and there's hail is visually cycloning around. But of course, my camera can't do hail. It looks justice. Yeah, it never does. So tonight we are fixing the site. Oh, this bloody frickin' content. What template is this? Container.sas.3. Actually, should be that one. Oh, okay. It also doesn't help that I'm on the UAT environment and I haven't pushed anything. There we go. So I might just need to get rid of this because it's probably already sold. Check and read the messages before exhausted this time. You're on the wrong screen. I can't see your credit card details. Fair enough. Okay, messages. Sorry that noob. My brain's on half power mode. Alright, opening container. Dude. Oh wait, also the crackling. Shoot, forgot about that. RR noise available in OBS. Okay, let's get that fixed. Noise suppression plugin based on Jean-Marc Valens RR noise. Yada yada yada. Use recurrent neural network. All right. RR noise is built in. All right, cool. Let's have a look. I'm gonna bring down chat so I can see chat. I'm also gonna make it on top. Oh wait, I can't. Oh well, I'll just move this over here. All right. So where's my scene? Video capture, screen capture. No, it will be part of this. Filters. Okay, add filter. Noise suppression. Alright, noise suppression. Stop the crackling. Good quality. Alright, cool. Close. Alright, is this working? I should also do it on desktop audio too. And suppression. You have to quit? Alright. Tell you what, I can stop stream and start stream pretty quickly. I also just want to stop the crackling. Want to also apply it here. Close. All right. Just the filter. Oh. So stop it and then start it like so. I'm assuming. Good night. Good luck with your hail tonight, tornado. The noise on the desktop music removes it completely. Okay, cool. So what I'll do is I will filters and close that off. Actually, I'll just remove it completely because, yep. All right. Yep, huge difference with it. All right. Awesome. Cheers. Thank you very much, that noob. So, yeah. Completely and utterly forgot to fix that. Mainly because I was running late. I didn't finish work till, oh, I don't want to know. And then I'm like, shoot, I'm streaming tonight. I've got to finish another work too. So, yeah. Just one of those nights. Anyway, okay. So, this is done. This is good. Inquire now should also work. Yep, alright. Yeah, alright, cool. Inquire now. That is always going to be, yeah, it's always going to be like that. That's perfectly fine. That way they can click on it slightly. I am going to close Discord. I'm going to bring you down. Now I don't have to run your stream on 10% volume. Yeah, fair enough. It'll be interesting to see what was causing the crackling noise. Because I use this particular mic on my work laptop, which is the 16-inch MacBook M1 Pro, and it was perfectly fine. So yeah, it's probably, actually, I think I know what it is. The cord run path, I'll actually show you. I think it's because, transition, I'll do this quickly. I think it's because the cord runs past this lamp. Probably why it's crackling. Transition back. Anyway, Mingbox time. To the screen, and it's the screen browser source added to OBS 2. Okay, cool. So, what I've done is I've gone in here, screens. I've just got a NearBeach screen. I'll just delete the Hello World one. I do get these red errors. So I am on nightly. So if you wanted to know the version, that's the version I'm on. Or the branch version, commit. Doc, be careful, you don't fall off the desk, okay? Yep. Trust me to break something straight away. So anyway, so I've got the screens. I've got Hello World. I go click on URL. I went with, I think, one of those two, but I might do that current location one instead, because it might be really, really simple. So I've gone into scene, a Mingbox. Click on this. It popped up for a few seconds. Alright, and then I go okay. If I transition. So the time is only there just to test it. It's deactivated the source. Oh. Alright. the eye in the list. All right, let's see. All right, that's really, really big. So I'll put few down here. And I will transition. And I won't make it as long. I'll, okay, good. I knew it was something simple. Don't know. Or resize it in meme box. Okay, yep. Alright, transition this. So for the next minute or two, that's just gonna pop up. Alright, so that would be under actions. I can delete this one. Oh, we are getting that error again. And then resizing it. Not in the screen in OBS, that's the whole point of the thing. Fair enough. And then resizing it would be... in the screen arrangement options. Screen arrangements. Cool. Right. And then I want to resize. Oh, wait. Global option, resize. Settings. I am... fair enough. Fair enough. I'm saying the exact same thing about Near Beach. Okay. Select it left and choose from full screen to fix. Oh! Oh, neat. And then do I need to just hit close? I'm assuming that auto saves. Keep. Apply change. There we go. Let's have a look. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do other ones. Folks, you can't look outside, it's dark. Look, see, dark. Alright, let's go. I've got to fix up the UI on here too. Where did I put it? Not unit tests. Me box setup. Okay, so we've done few. I've fixed that issue in the next Ghoul. Tokyo Ghoul or something. Oh yeah, keyboard. Exploding keyboard. Oh yes. Alright. Exploding keyboard. I was hoping for an exploding keyboard. Alright, let's move to the next one. Close modal. Mouse pad. Show an image of my mouse pad. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'd also add random positions if you have OBS 2.7 and random animations. That just works. Oh, nice. What version? Let's actually have a look. Help. About 2.7.13. 2. Oh, not quite yet. Okay, they might not have pushed it onto the Ubuntu yet, so I guess I could compile from source. Another few coming up constantly. Alright, explosions. Okay. Don't know why I closed Giphy. Sucks. Trying to use my keyboard. Trans. Yeah, right. No. Alright, save image as. This will be under tools. Main box. Gonna have GIFs. GIFs. Permission denied. Piss. Oh. What? Not on my watch. Yep, tools. LS all. Change owner of recursive to meme box. That should be a sudo in front. All right. Oh. All right, cool. All right, actions, image. Oh, I was meant to rename that. Gonna go cancel and re-add that. Yeah, rename's not auto refreshed. Yeah, oh, that's fine. All right, explosion.gif description. All right, cool. Add. Oh wait, I was meant to add that to. Damn it. All right, let's have a look at. Let's add in another timer to every minute. Change this to. All right, screens. Oh wait, actions? No. Shoot. You literally told me just before. Assign and arrange media. Okay. Can I add more in here? delete trigger, re-add that in. Why do people not read the label? I've just got the Simpsons movie quote in my head. I was born to lead, not read. That's why. Alright, terrible joke. Okay, explosions.gif. Alright, so that's the new one. That one I want. That one. Alright. There is a sign button at the bottom of the screen or an arrange view. Alright, cool. So that disappears. Alright. Oh, it's on media. Ah, sweet. This one. We'll go fix. Oh, actually, let's just go random. Oh, wait, it might not work. Yeah. Fixed. Where should I put it? Let's just put it there. Let's just be silly. Alright. Cool. So every 60 seconds, there should be an explosion at the bottom of the screen. Really should put it at the Ratchet is the best, yeah. Alright. God, 60 seconds is a long time when you're waiting for it. Socks, are you okay there? Oh, by the way, can you actually hear Socks knock things around nowadays? And can you actually hear the cube? That'll be interesting to see. You removed the time. Oh, did I? Oh, shoot. Yes, I did. Alright. Uh-oh, which one was it? Oh, God. Cancel. Cancel. Alright. Alright. Ah, I see the bottom of it. Alright, no problem. Screens. Assign range media. So that just needs to be a bit higher. Let's go centered. You can hear the cube? Okay. There we go. Yeah. Where am I? Where am I going? Seems like there's something wrong with the sizes. Possibly. I drag that down. Let's just wait. Click on this. If I go fixed, let's just drag that down to about there. Let's save. Yeah, possibly. But I didn't drag it down too much from centered. So if I move it back where it was centered, save. Now I know I've got a wide screen, but that shouldn't have anything to do with it. Alright, if I click this, move that over here. Possibly, yes. Yeah. Because I do actually have a wide monitor. So my monitor is, if I just take a screenshot, I can actually send it to you. prompt, it'll be like 3, 2, 1. There we go. Copy to clipboard. Speaking on the OBS canvas, not the monitor. Oh, okay. Yeah, possibly. How big is this canvas? 1200 by 720. And then I think I'm really just outdoing 720p, I think, if memory serves me correctly. Open and the screen setting in main box. Screen setting, alright, let's... Just go to hit reload. Screen setting. No, that's going back to there. Oh, screen size 1920 by 1080. All right. Yeah, okay. So I've got to somehow change the settings so the screen size is replicated. Okay. Oop. Edit. So we want 1200 by 720. Update. Yeah, I'll change it here because it'll be a lot easier for me. Alright. Should just make that right there. Save all actions. Actually, I might move that down there. Oh yeah, I could have changed it there too, but oh well. So yeah, they should be... Oh, notice that the... Oh, okay, yep. So, by... So I'm now doing calculations in my head. I can make that, whew, over there, but that's fine. All right. Go into triggers. Let's edit that trigger. So yeah, every minute. Actually, let's do 10 minutes. But actually, let's do 5. And let's do this one every 10 minutes. Okay. Oh, this is on a... this completed. Angry cat. Oh yeah, we're going to use this one. All right. No, not save link. Save image. Yep. Is it still going? Oh, I haven't updated it. All right. Angry cat. Okay. close that, close that. Open up the main box. This is where I gotta reload the thing, don't I? No, the queue of the screen is still going through it. Oh, okay. Whoops. Alright, so click on this. First thing, I picked that. Media file. Alright, image settings. Angry cat. One, 2, 3. And hey, Ada, 9 months. Wow. Yeah, it has been a long time. Actually, it will be coming up for my year affiliate, which is next week. So yeah, I've got to do something for that. Oh yeah, how are you, Aiden? I am just working on this. You know, you could trigger this stuff on some. Yes, so that's, yeah, I do want to actually have that actually happen. So yeah, just gotta figure out what I want to actually show and stuff like that. So, and yeah, affiliate year. So yeah, I've just got to look down to find the email. It sadly was around the exact same time Amputee Amp died. So yeah, 3.5. I don't know how long that one's going for, but we can fix it up. All right, so we've got that. We've got triggers. Add new Twitch event. So chat message. All right, message to trigger chat. You've got, okay, cat. Aliases. Cool down between, let's do 10 seconds. Choose action to trigger cat. All right. Can also be without the, oh, okay. So if someone just types in cat, will it work? And let's test it out. Let's go down here. Let's. Oh, I freaking love it. All right. All right. Cool. Screen design, arrange media. Let's angry cat. Let's. Yeah. Let's center it in the screen. All right, so in here, this one's done. We can move that to completed, update card, cat smack. Oh, what was this one again? Not as funny as the last one. Alright. Save image. Where are you? Where are you? Driving at. Show. Person who drives you. How do you spell chauffeur? Oh, alright, yeah, cool. French words. French words really trip me up. Go to the cog icon and add animations. Okay, cool. Let's Cog icon. All right. Animations. Cog in a screen. Oh, yeah. Animations. All right. Animation options. Okay. Random. Uh-oh. No event CSS. Size and position. Yep, centered. All right, update. Animate in. Back and down? No, we want to go back and up. Since it's screen dependent, how much against the rules do you think would lying in your peer reviews and making people say things they didn't say pretty bad? What is breaking me only rap? Yeah, I break things. I break things. This is the nightly build, so. Yeah, I love to break things. All right, so image driving cat. All right, we want it the NearBeach screen. Let's go with that. All right, cool. Triggers. Let's add a trigger. Chat message. I did not paste anything. Chauffeur. Okay. Select switch roles. I'm assuming users, like everyone, can do it. So add up. Do trigger. Go screens, arrange. That's centered. Come on. Right. Let's save. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So. I don't know how to spell chauffeur. There you go. Simple, easy, and holy hell, there are a lot of explosions. Alright, they're all lined up for the rest of the night. It's non-stop explosion town. Are they animated? Oh, whoop, that one animated. Every second one. What? Right, okay, so we've done that one. The Cax mat, we just made it into chauffeur, so we'll just go completed, update card. Mouse pad, keyboard, dual, I've got a, yeah. Keyboard, gotta find a good exploding keyboard. Oh, okay. Yep. So I've got to time up the timings correct with the GIFs. It's just a bit of tweaking. Exploding GIFs. I just want a keyboard exploding. The queue is done. Yes. It only took half an hour. Alright, that's a weird GIF. But send me the error logs post stream. Yeah, okay, cool. Where would they be kept? So I'm assuming under meme box. Oh no, because I'm using the headless stuff, which is running in the terminal at the moment. I can copy that. Check the settings page and open. Oh, okay, yep. Do that right now. I close that. Settings, media, connections. Sorry. Check the settings page. It opens the config folder. It's not configured. Twitch. Sorry, am I just not seeing it? Media folder? No. Okay, yes. I'm not seeing it. Okay, meme box. Alright, logs. So I'll send you these logs. So yeah, I'll do that after stream. Yes. I am blinded about it at times. This is why I wear glasses. So yeah, and it doesn't help that I had a very little sleep. Yeah. Just the error one is fine? Okay, sweet. Right. Oh. Well, good luck. In fact, I can probably send that right now to you. Just gonna put that over there. All right, cool. I am just gonna take a quick 5-minute break. I will be back very shortly. Alright, sorry about that, everyone. Oh, transition. Alright, I'm back. Alright. Cool. Yeah, I gotta find a good explosion. Maybe if I've got... So, yeah. Anyway, I've got to get back into this. Just got to make sure all of this is now just working. Oh, those are just lines. All right. So, collective. Now working. Those are working. So I want to click into one of those collectives. All right, hotel. All right, yep. Gotta fix up that image. That's something you can do in the settings. Yeah, that looks fine. That opens up on a different site. All right. Okay. Well, I'm happy with this one. I'm just going to push the code. Minor fixes for mobile phone. All right, cool. Which isn't working here. All right. All right, cool. Yeah, push it. Yeah, definitely. I'm just definitely hashing into my NearBeach account, EC2. Oop, wrong one. Cool. Everything should just be working now. Yep. Oops. I was meant to go to UAT. Gotta fix that up. None of those go anywhere, that's fine. That I've got to fix up very quickly. That's just an arrow. All right, let's have a look at, what is it? Font awesome logos or icons. Right, arrow. Do they have a... I'm just going to move this over here just because I've got pictures on there. I don't want to hurt people. But, just screw it. That's going up. Alright, where's this SVG? Open with image viewer. Alright, cool. We got this. Save as JPEG or PNG. Oh wait, we wanted it. We wanted it white. Not a problem. Just find the color in here. Or, if I'm lazy, I'm just gonna go, alright, font awesome. Yep, I know. Yep. Oh, Max, did you bring me a mouse or something? No? Okay. I'm not the best at SVGs. Alright. That's I'm gonna have to do that on my work computer. I know my work computer has the Illustrator, so I can just pop it into Illustrator, change the color, and export it. So yeah, I can do that later. But I need my friend to go through the site and tell me what needs to be updated. Those really need spaces. But yeah. How they've got them on their current site, so you know. Cool. I am finished with that. Alright, let's list all. Let's update this. Oh, let's refresh this page for one. Edit stream info. Because I don't want to work on WordPress anymore tonight. Yay! Alright. Near Beach. Planning the next 3 months. So let's start actually planning out our next 3 months. So, time adds some sounds as well. Yeah, we might as well. Alright, probably not the best search. Alright, so I've got to actually demo this out and see if it's actually, potentially use it. You two, stop lighting up there. I am going to quickly grab myself a drink though. I'll be right back. Won't even change screen. What are you doing? Alright. Did you hear about the new WordPress vulnerability where some WordPress plugin site got hacked, and when you downloaded it from the site and put in your site, the site got a reverse shell? No, I haven't. Ooh, alright. Aiden, if you've got any information on that, can you please post that to the Discord, please? Because both myself and my previous job place would want to know that. I use Umbraco at our current workplace. And oh, wait a minute. All right. Perfect. Everyone knows what I'm doing at the moment, right? So if you download the plugin from WordPress, yeah, okay, cool. I am going to quickly.
We're barely a year into 2022.
Oh no! All right.
64 WordPress themes, about 40 of these.
Okay, I haven't used that.
It appears that only Access Press Themes WordPress question. Is this some? So many of the developers that are creating these themes and plugins.
Okay, really, I'm gonna have to look at it and see if it affects me. Okay, so this is what I like about Linux. Tabs. Alright, pictures. Alright, add audio. Nope. That's not going to be moved to the rubbish bit of that one. Alright. Yeah, please post it to this Discord because I'll watch it tonight. Alright, so going back to meme box, let's go to dashboard, let's go to actions. Image settings. I actually do need to paste in that image, so under pictures. Oh yeah, no, I got R. Alright, Actually, action type. That nerd, can I do 2 at once? Or do they need to be in the same trigger? Well, we'll put it on the R. That should reload. That's perfectly fine. Let's add that. Did I put it on the right screen? That's... press F1 and check the meta entry. All right. Meta. Action type meta. Create your media with the type of meta. While creating your meta group, you'll need to assign a new tag to tag other media clips that should be linked. Oh, okay, cool. Sweet. So what I'll do is not read the rest of the instructions, which has worked perfectly fine for me. All right, random. This will trigger one tag clip. Okay, cool. All will trigger all the same. For example, if you want you combine an audio with a picture, yep, that's what I want. Okay, cool. Actions. Okay, we'll call this media. Link it to NearBeach's screen. We want this meta. We want the meta settings to be all with the tag mute. And we'll add that. All right, cool. We'll edit this. No, not angry cat. Other settings. We'll add an cute. Added it in twice. All right. And then what we want to do is we want to add in a new item. So bang that there. We want audio. We want .mpeg3 audio settings. All right. Description, other settings. We want cute. All right. Now, audio needs to be added to the screen as well. Oh, trust me to screw that up. All right. You said it could be added here, right? Assign media right next to me. Close. All right. And then triggers. Cool down between triggers. Let's go 30 seconds. Choose action, and this is where we pick the meta. Audio needs to be added to the meta does not. Oh, did I add the meta? All right, MP3. All right. Well, the sound's there, just not the image. Okay, actions. Yeah, the image is added to the screen. I think I've got 2 R-cutes. There we go. Alright. Can someone else test that when the cooldown is done? The next time that actually happens, bang! So yeah. You managed to clone a tag when it was already there. I do find these errors. Actually, okay, talking about finding errors, I told this story not long ago. So this is back when I worked at the university. So we were going through a testing sort of phase. So we were using HP Quality Center. We were testing this application, which was a terrible application. It had so many issues, so there were a lot of manual tests to actually find out if they fixed the issues that they have said they were going to fix, or the vendor said they were going to fix. In comes an intern. He uses a particular functionality in the particular application itself to delete the administration user. It essentially absolutely bricked this application because this application couldn't do anything without this particular user, and you couldn't fix it without using the application. And essentially we had to scrap the whole entire dev environment, reinstall it from scratch, tell them the massive colossal issue, and yeah, they had to patch it. So yeah, I think you should go through my UI/tutorials and rewrite them so everyone can understand it. So far, no one could not wait. So yeah, he essentially bricked a whole entire web application, and it was just like, how? This. The same web application, by the way, decided to download all of the courses and every single permutation of that particular course. So a particular course could have 3 or 4 permutations. Usually it has 3 or 4 different permutations depending on its timetabling. So, for example, there could be one particular course in a particular classroom and another one in a different classroom. So there's a permutation. So decide to download all of these and then apply a filter on the client side. So not only did we open up this particular setting page, not only took forever to download all that data, it took forever to get through it. And I'm just thinking, why wasn't it filtered at the database level? Why wasn't that information taken from the front end given to the back end? It was an application that had many flaws, and the application that got me into web dev because I wanted to know why it was so bad. So yeah. Hey Max. Yeah, that's me ranting about my old IT life. I would never go back to IT. It was a mistake. Yeah. No offense to anyone in IT, it was not my place. So yeah. Alright. Auto deployment and microservices. This is something I want to actually finish up. I'm just going to be talking about NearBeach now. Okay, so I am thinking... open shell? There's a bug on Ubuntu that won't let me. Alright. So I am thinking... So that would be multi-pass. I'm going to use multipass to start learning Docker and Kubernetes. I'm thinking of actually moving NearBeach off the Lambda environment onto Kubernetes, sort of Docker sort of stuff. Lambda has issues with essentially simple tasks like sending out emails. I've got to actually set up something which costs too much. It puts me well over my sort of budget per month. Costs too much for me to actually do such a simple task and stuff like that. And I'm like, Kubernetes would be able to, I would just need 3 containers at the moment. NearBeach isn't that big enough to actually deal with any more traffic than that. So yeah, I am thinking of using Kubernetes. So yeah, I was also opening up GitHub because I have to. IT support is annoying. They started snitching on my class for sending each other gifts in a private Microsoft team. Yes, I do actually want to finally do the NearBeach Docker sort of stuff. So I want to get this set up so at least it will pull the stuff from pip and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I've got quite a number of people recommending me do this, go this particular way, because at the moment it is so much better than what I'm currently doing. It also doesn't help that Zapper, which is what I was using to deploy my services, has decided to oh, they don't have it here, but essentially they're gone. This is no longer maintained. Yeah, and that too. So other people can actually be like, oh, cool. I just want to run this on my own server and have a a Docker component. And they're like, oh, sweet. I just need Docker. So yeah, I think they did say it's some. They said it at some point, and I'm like, I've got to move off because this is just making it too hard. So, need to copy Docker Compose and a Docker Compose up there. Yeah, there's that. So yeah, I've literally just got to start doing this. So yeah, I'm not doing it tonight. I am actually going to sit down and read up on it. So yeah, that's one thing which I kind of want to do. Now, I did want to actually also create a roadmap. So road map 2022. All right, so we're actually removing quite a lot of these. Want to go vertical, and then yeah, I want to do that. Okay, cool. So add item, what we want to do is backlog. I'll put that up there. In progress. Just simple, very, very simple. So we're already in Feb. I want to start only 1, 2, 3 months. All right. I can't be on board. So one thing which I want to do, release 0.29 branch, which will happen very, very shortly. Ooh. Yeah, it's easy to install apps with Docker, and that's another reason why. Sorry, I actually got those columns around the wrong way. All right, release that branch. Start writing Docker setup. All right, we're keeping this very high level sort of roadmap. All right, so there's only, we have a look. Technically 1 week left for February. I'm not going to add any more for that. So, other things I want to actually do with Near Beach. In March, I want to update the administration UI/UX. I have the designs, I have the process that I want down pat. It's gonna happen. All right. Write more unit tests. Gonna be another one. If a Pi comes in stock, I will get a local version of NearBeach running. Yeah, neat. I do know it will run perfectly fine on a Raspberry Pi 3. And if you wanted to speed it up, I'm more than happy to give you the CDN directory and stuff like that. Which reminds me, implement a pipeline for CDN. So I want to have the ability to get my data, have it all run and stuff like that, and be able to deploy the new files straight onto the CDN. At the moment, it is a very manual process, and I do not like that. Right. So April. So if some of you might know this, some of you might not. So AWS, not for profit. It gives me credits because I'm registered as a not-for-profit, not-for-profits and NGOs. So they've been giving me credits every year. I do pay for the credits, so I pay about just under $300 Australian for those particular credits. My Patreon actually covers a lot of that cost, and whatever else it doesn't get covered, I actually cover by myself. Now, they've recently, so if I go Connecting Up, so in Australia we use Connecting Up. They're the ones that deal with the whole TechSoup sort of stuff. I don't need that page. So, software, Microsoft. So Microsoft has also changed a bunch of things too, and so has AWS. So I've just got a problem about this site is it's quite hard to find anything. So Adobe, board. Hard to find anything in here. Brands, AWS, where are you? It's not hardware. Anyway, I'll get straight to the point instead of showing this. Essentially, they've halved the amount I've got to pay, but they've essentially really reduced the amount of credits that I will be getting. And the problem is, it will cost more in the long run. There are two different options. Not for profit. So Microsoft Azure, not for profits. So I can. I'm just going to go to Google this little. Azure, not for profit, not profile, profit. So, Microsoft Azure, $3,500, moved to the cloud with a grant and stuff like that. But it's something I've got to do more research in. I have to be like, okay, how long will this cover and all that kind of stuff and so forth like that. Now, the other option is actually a couple of options. Okay, this is taking too long. DigitalOcean. Is I could look back at DigitalOcean and start contacting them and being like, hey, what's your pricing for not-for-profits? So I could have a couple of, like a droplet, premium AMD, or a premium AMD, one AMD, one Intel, regular Intel. Oops. So I can look at DigitalOcean. I wonder why I'm having problems. I'm zoomed in. I can also look at products, their Kubernetes. My favorite option is DigitalOcean so far. Yeah, I've used DigitalOcean before. The power actually comes from the fact that they are very simple. So if you're mum and pa and you don't want to worry too much about everything, you can quite literally sign up with this and be like, oh, okay, I only need $5 a month, and someone else will set this up, and then I just need to keep it updated and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, this is a potential solution, and the other one is Linode, which sure they give 100 credit and stuff like that. So products, do they dedicated Kubernetes? They also do Kubernetes. So yeah, it is one thing which I've got to start looking into and be like, okay, this is what I've got to look at, and so forth like that. Yeah. So that's the problem I am facing. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Kanban. So look at moving cloud providers. AWS is changing up their credit scheme. New credit won't be enough. Might have a look at either one. Actually, these should actually be these. One. Really shrinking the user base. Sorry, the amount of services I am using. To move to Azure to see if it will be sustainable. 3, move to DigitalOcean for ease and billing prices. 3, move to Node for easiness. Spelling, yeah, I know. And oops. And known billing prices. So yeah, that's a big thing in the next couple of that's happening April. So I'll have April, May, June to get that all sorted. All right. So in here we'll be moving to, so start setting up NearBeach on K8s. All right. And reset up auto deployment processes. So yeah, If you guys are actually interested in the billing on Amazon at the moment, let me just log in. This is always interesting to look at. Sorry, I'll catch up the chat. You can also use 3 VPSs and run K8s on them. Yes, that would also be a plan too. So yeah. But I can also do that on AWS. I gotta clear some of these passwords out of my... Oh, multi-factor. Shoot. Oh, my phone's on me. Alright. What is this one? Alright. It's something I don't really show many people, but this is my AWS thing so far. So bills. So actually, let's have a look at my credits. Budget. Oh, Cost Explorer. Credits. So I got a credit. So far it's cost me $84.04 each month. Where's our credits? Oh. I can't read. So yeah, this is amount used, amount remaining. So I will be able to make it in this amount, but yeah, if we have a look at so credits, so 84.04. If we go calculator, 84.04 times that by 12, we just $8. So the last $8 I'll have to pay for, but I don't. Yeah, it's just one of those really annoying things. So if I go to the Cost Explorer, is it the Launch Cost Explorer? They really make this as hard as possible to actually use. So view in Cost Explorer, I need to actually get rid of. So one of these costs are, because I've got help attached, so I'll get rid of that soon. If we go service, so ignore the green, that's support development. And if we actually do this not daily but monthly, and let's go in bar. All right, we'll ignore Feb. Azure is good and easier for showing billing. I haven't actually touched Azure's billing. So yeah, I do use it, but yeah, I haven't touched Azure's billing. So yeah, that's something I've got to figure out also. So as you can see, one of our big costs is EC2 Other. So that's almost $50. That's a thing that is trying to get our lambdas to talk via SMTP and stuff like that. That is way too much. So that is one cost cut, which I want to take out. So that will save me $50 a month. And if we actually go into, let's go calculator.aws, let's actually look at 3 EC2s I could potentially use for my Kubernetes. So jumping into here, let's scroll all the way down. Come on, Australia. Where are ya? Asia Pacific. Singapore. No, Sydney. Don't know if it's an alternative, but did you check out fly.io? No, I haven't. Run your full stack applications databases all over the world. No ops required. 3 shared CPU 1x VMs with. Ooh, NearBeach might not be able to reach that, but so $570 a month. Oh. All right, that is going on. Just wait. No, I've got it back here. That is going on the list. Thank you very much, that noob. So yeah, don't know if not. There's a free 3 small VMs. Yeah, I don't think NearBeach will fit on those VMs. I do know Django does take quite a bit of RAM. Not overly a lot, but I think it's just over that free tier. But $5 for, yeah, that's reasonable. Anyway, where was I? So yeah, it will definitely fit here. And if we want to dedicate it, that's where it goes up, yeah. 31 a month. Once Django only does the static files and API service, yeah. It should. It is a work in progress, that is. So, yeah, I've just got to figure out the whole... I was thinking about it today. So I was thinking, I will need to move the menu out from where it currently is. I would need to... Is Oracle Cloud on your list? You can get crazy stuff on their free tier. No, it isn't. Thank you very much, Urgent Net. I'm terribly sorry. I am really bad at names. So yes, do feel free to correct me in chat, by the way. So let's have a look. All right, so pricing is one of the big points. So simple unit pricing. All right, so we don't need analytics. We need not autonomous databases. We want per hour. It's going to be pretty big per hour. But Oracle does have MySQL, autonomous JSON databases. Sorry. Also, Hertzner's cloud is good, but it's only for the EU. Yeah. Another stream I know was blocked out of the free tier there, and to get someone to check it, why you need to pay so much for a free tier. Damn. Big data, blockchain, cloud. I'll tell you what, I'll put it on the list because it doesn't hurt. I could do a proper research. What? Didn't this save? Alright, I know you did fly.io. Oh, God, I pressed F11. Thank God. All right, I'm gonna have to do this as note. Issue with description. Please include following. Oracle Cloud and fly.io. And I just double click on that. Double click on that. Okay, so we just found a massive bug. I run some small CI/CDs running on VMs on their free tier, works fine, but yeah, Oracle and anything sounds dodgy, yeah. Yes, it does. Oracle and free in the sentence sounds like yeah. Yes, I remember talking to someone in a job and she would be like, "4, yeah, oh, Oracle." Yeah, they bought the Sun microprocessors and really just poor. Okay, Kanban board. Okay, this is actually a blocker. This is all right. Cannot update Kanban card. All right, so method. This will have to be fixed really quickly. This is a major bug. Okay, I'll log into NearBeach to navigate to an open Kanban board. 3, edit a card's description, expected results. Kanban card is saved. Description is updated. Actual results, it is not. All right. Gonna submit that. Oh, we're nearly up to 900. Jeez. Cool. All right. So gonna close that. Yeah, where was I? Oh yes, I was talking about calculations. So if I go in here, close this. So we're in Sydney, operating system, search by if I do T3A. If I do T3A small, and 3 instances of those, 100% utilization and stuff like that. Let's click on on-demand instance because I can't get the saving models on credits. Storage amounts, let's actually change that up to 300 and stuff like that. So that will be about that much a month. So not exactly $50 that I will be saving, but a lot of that is the storage cost. So if I bump that down to 30, all of a sudden it's $10 off. That can also, I can take down one of my existing EC2s. So I have an EC2 that just runs the microprocessors at the moment. So I can take that down to gain that $10 there and stuff like that. So we would be kind of there. I would have to limit everyone's upload size to be about 5 gigs. And then if they want more than that, like let's say jump up to 30 or something like that, that's when I'll be like, oh, you've got to pay X amount for users and stuff like that. With a minimum of, you know, they get 5 free users. So they'll have to pay the, you know, the premium costs and stuff like that. Or I could do 1 gig and stuff. And then these are things I've got to think about later in the future when I start actually charging. So I'm putting the cart before the horse when I talk about this. So yeah, and then when I start getting up enough people, what I could do all up front, I can invest $1,000, and then what I can actually do is bump that up. So yeah, that's hopefully in the near future when I actually, if I do get income coming in. So yeah, so that's the $50 there. So yeah, I could potentially get rid of that, use the K8s and stuff like that. The support development, I could get rid of that. That's up to $80 a month. I can get rid of with the spending. So that comes down to so the databases and that. So there's 22.8. So let's make that $50 there all up. So yeah, that will be, I get that down to, so $50 a month is like $600. So I'll have 400 spare. So 400 divided by 12, I can only spend 33 at the moment. So yeah, that's where they've put me in the near future. So yeah, I've got to start planning stuff and being able to sort of make sure that my investment, you know, is sustainable. That's the important thing. If it's sustainable, that is perfectly fine. It would be nice to actually make extra money so I can hire people to come in and fix up its NearBeach's UI and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, because I'm terrible at UI. So yeah, and that is something I am thinking of actually doing, is actually pulling someone in and saying, hey, I'll pay you how much you cost and stuff like that. What fiber, I think it is. Socks. No, it's dark out there. You'll scare the neighbors. Sorry, Socks is playing with the Venetian blinds right next to me. So yeah, I'm thinking of I'll do dashboard design, web app, and stuff like that. Let's continue with Google. Actually, you guys know my email address, so that's I don't know why I hit that. Anyway, for prototype one for mobile and web and stuff. So I've got to go through here and be like, this is actually an investment into NearBeach and get the UI UX all fixed up. But I've also got to do the like set up NearBeach properly. So, yeah. You need to activate your account. Yeah. I'll do that after stream. All right. And because this is all administration stuff. There's no working on NearBeach here. So up here we want to have bug test application. We also want to do bug test application to its full Feb. Doesn't everyone know your email? Yeah, pretty much. I did actually get an email from someone being like, hey, there's a job opportunity and stuff like that. And I actually just found my email and being like, and they're looking through NearBeach and stuff, and they're like, oh, we love what you're working on NearBeach and stuff like that. Would you like to work with us, yada, yada, yada. And I had to reject it because they were also working on a project management system. And I was like, listen, that's a conflict of interest for me. So I'm sorry. So bug test application, we're just gonna deal that with March. So this will also be a bug test application April. But down here, what we want to do is we want to actually implement epics. What's the alternative to epics? Project management epics. An alternate name to epics too. But yeah, implement epics. So that is something we want to do. We want to start designing the epics here. So yeah, I don't want to put any more items in here because that will overload me, and a lot of this will then follow on to the other month and stuff like that. So yeah. All right, so that's what I kind of want to do in the next couple of months. So this is the roadmap. Yeah, so that branch will be released hopefully after I fix that major fucking issue. So yeah, and then start writing the Docker setup. That will start next week too. So, and then bug test application, that will happen throughout the whole entire week. So yeah, anyway, it is getting late at night. I should be finishing up. So let's find someone to raid. Just for fun. Ooh, copper beardy. Ooh, coated butter. First client project with my custom framework. All right, he's winning. All right. Up to sad. All right. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. All right. Let's do the raid here. Paste him in. Let's get ready. All right. So there he is. His own first client project with my custom framework. Oh, sweet. Cool. So yes, I'll quickly do the change to the webcam, scratch the back of my neck, you know, the usual sort of Anyway, thank you very much everyone for joining. Thank you very much, that noob, for helping me get through meme box. You've probably been like, oh god, you can't read instructions. Yeah, I can't read instructions. It's pretty obvious now. So yeah, anyway, thank you very much everyone for coming along tonight. We got some stuff done from my client. I've got to hand all that off to my friend and be like, hey, listen, I've done this and stuff like that. So yeah, anyway, let's raid. Yeah, let's just raid Coding Butter.